Take a ride in the 2021 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, LED headlights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass, FWD, remote trunk release. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.